Well, there is a new feature in the vibe coding tool in Google AI Studio. So essentially, you can select the area or annotate the elements that you want AI to modify. So this feature will make the process of editing to be a lot faster and more accurate. The idea is the same as in the Gemini's image markup feature, where you can select the area or portion of the picture and AI will know exactly the part that you want to modify. So this is very useful for your project. If you don't want to prompt too much, then I think you can use this tool to specify the elements that you want AI to remove, improve, or perhaps modify. So let me show you how you can use this new annotation tool in Google AI Studio. So let's navigate to studio.google.com. That's the URL basically. And after that, you can log in with your account. Now, in this case, I'm not going to build an app. I'll just open a website or an app that I have created earlier. Okay, I'm going to just navigate to the build menu right here. And again, if you want to build your own app, you can start describing your idea right here. And then you can iterate the process of building the app or website. Again, I'm going to just open my website. Let me just open this and just wait for the editor to open. Now, this is the website that was created by the AI agent. Okay, now let's say I want to maybe remove this login button. So of course, I can always describe the changes. I can tell AI that, hey, please remove the login link in the navigation menu. I can do that, but I can also just use the annotation feature. Just click this annotate button. And after that, you can use these tools. So you can select the color. You can select if you want to use the sketching tool like this, or you can also use this rectangle like that. You can also use the arrow if you want that. There you go. Okay, now let's say I want to add a rectangle, and then I'm going to select this area and I'm going to add some text. So I'm going to click add text and I'm going to describe that to AI. Remove the login, or you know what, just remove this, something like that. Even as simple as that, AI will understand because we have specified the area. You can click this check mark, and if you want to include that onto your next prompt, you can click add to chat. But if you want to use this tool a lot faster, then I do recommend to use the comment feature. It is actually the same, but it's just simpler in my opinion. So instead of using the rectangular and then using the text tool, you can just use the comment feature. It is more or less the same. I'm going to click this and I will select this login area. And there you go. So I can tell AI to remove this. And I'm going to click this and click add to chat. Just wait for the comment to appear, and there you go. Now you can send a message and just wait for AI to apply the changes based on the instruction that you provided in your annotation. So this will take some time depending on the model and also the complexity of the changes. So I'll be back and I'll show you with the result. Okay, there you go. So the login button is no longer here in the navigation menu. You can keep using the annotation feature over and over again to improve the look and the features of the apps or website that you're building. But yeah, that's essentially how you can use the new annotation feature in the vibe coding tool in Google AI Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.